Hello, my name is Trey Wilson, and I'll be talking to you about men and women in the workplace, mainly about the inequality women face within this workplace. Equality within the workplace. Workplace inequality between men and women is one of the most persistent forms of discrimination, mainly because employees tend to see males more powerful and they reserve these powerful positions for males rather than females. And another reason there is inequality because men seem or are seen as to be more qualified than females. The next point is the pay gap, and probably the most known point to workplace inequality. Women may have the same position as a male in a company, and they may, and most of the time, do receive less pay than their male counterparts. In one study, men received about just over $11,000 more than women. But if you put the same work power for both male and female and reward that men get, it would only be about $6,539. But if you put that work power reward that women receive, it would be 5,687. And those numbers are drastically have a drastic significance between those two. My last point is the behavior and mistreatment of females in the workplace. Women face harassment more often than men do in the workplace, and this can be one of the reasons can be that women are seen as less committed than men, and that if if women don't if the men don't see that women are as committed as them, this could be a big role in the mistreatment at work. In most of my interviews, I found out that I found out that um, most of the companies I talked to, the females within their company were their backbone to this company, and that they said that if the females would start going one by one, this company would probably fall or just fall out of place. Why did this research matter? This research mattered because it shines a light on the workplace inequality and what women face every day or once they are hired. What can this show? Just like I said, it can show that women and the equality they face. How can the inequality be weeded out? Just know the facts of what the workplace inequality is, and just make sure if you see it going on, just stop it. And if you hear about it, stop it or report it to the upper management. Thank you.